Okay, so let me just show you how this FB QuickStory extension works. So you just have to click on the Add to Chrome button, and then it will add this to your Chrome extension list, and then you will just have to go to the facebook.com to upload your story. Okay, let me help you. Okay, then after the page is loaded, you just have to click Add Create Story. Then you will see create a photo or video story. Then if you just click on this, and I have a cool video to share on my story, so I just have to pick that. If you click this open, and this will show you a preview of that video, and if you see any alert, ignore that. This okay, so you can play and pause the video over. You need to add that video, and if I just click on share to story, and this will start uploading that video to Facebook. Okay, it will take a few seconds to upload that video, depend on your internet speed. Okay, mine has been uploaded, so let me just see. Okay, this is my previous story, and this one is my latest in my media. Okay, you can upload video story by this extension. Also, I want to give a shout out to my another two creation. That one is QuickPeek. If Spotlight and Alfred like search for browser, you can just click on Control M to get a sample like this and search anything from your recent apps, history, bookmarks, and so on. And also, I want to shout out to my another app called Blinkeye, which help you to remind you to take care of your eyes. So that's all I had to share. And if you find this useful, then give us a 5-star on Chrome Store. Okay, I will add this video to this person's reply who didn't able to upload any Facebook story by this extension. So I hope Janice will find this useful. Yep, I'm Abdullah Noman signing off.